Hey Automation World, Darren Burrell, Scott Equipment Company here in Greenville, South Carolina at our Automation Fest. Please come join us from 11 to 2 p.m. today for lunch and support all our vendors that are out here to understand how we can solve your automation needs. Look forward to seeing you.
Hey, Will Henderson here, Scott Equipment. We're here at the Greenville Drive Stadium today. We have 9 vendors here. We'll be here from 11 to 2. Come out and see what we have to offer.
Hey, this is Craig and Josh with SMC. Thanks to Scott Equipment for hosting this event here at the Greenville Drive Stadium. Come see us. We've got a lot of our energy savings solutions products on display, as well as our electric actuators. So come see us.
Seth Stevens, Murrelektronik, out here with Scott Equipment today. Come check us out, see what type of wiring solutions we can bring you guys.
Hey everybody, Scott Campbell with SCHUNK here, out here with Scott Equipment at Fluor Field in Greenville, South Carolina. Come take a look at the show, take a look at all the new products from SCHUNK, like our new tool changers.
Good morning, here at the Scott Equipment Greenville Drive Trade Show. Really excited to be here showcasing our new Essentials servo platform today. Thanks for having us out.
Hey, it's Michael Clark here with ABB Robotics down here at the Greenville Drive event in awesome Greenville, South Carolina. Partnering with our distributor, Scott Equipment. Come down here and check out the latest in automation, including our new GoFoot collaborative robot and some in the automation space.
Hi, good afternoon. Hunter Drew Ford with Schmersal.
Joe Anselon with Riverside.
We're here representing Schmersal USA at Scott Equipment's Automation Showcase today. Some of our main products include our SATEC fencing, our Hopio scanner, our field box, and some of our key door interlocks for safety, machine safety and industrial automation industry. Here with packaging brochures and some of our automation and controls products as well. Come check us out.
Coval is in the stadium here today at Scott Equipment's fun event. Come check out Coval Vacuum Managers and check out what we got.
Good morning, Automation World. I'm Phil Lister with Scott Equipment Company. We're here in beautiful downtown Greenville, South Carolina at the Greenville Drive Stadium. Come on down. We're showcasing some products both inside the venue, here at our demo van. This is the Greenville Drive Automation Showcase. Come see us.